Back again with another pop soda review taste test thingy. And this time we're doing, or I'm doing, I should say, Dr. Pepper Blackberry. Yeah. Apparently it's a blackberry flavored Dr. Pepper. It's completely brand new, just came out this month. And yeah. I've already opened it, sadly, because I tried to do this video before, but then I had a fucking coughing fit, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. Dr. Pepper Blackberry. I wonder if it's going to taste like that Dr. Pepper Darkberry, which I don't know if I made a video on this channel. I don't know if I made a review or taste test thingy about Dr. Pepper Darkberry. I can't remember. I think I did. I don't know. Anyways, I wonder if it's going to taste like that. It already kind of smells like that. I already smelled it. Yeah, it smells really blackberry. Berry. And, yeah. And I got my trusted glass of ice. And, yeah. So let's try it. Let's pour it. Hopefully I don't pour it on myself. So that sizzle. I don't know if you can hear it. It's brown, which of course is Dr. Pepper. They never, the Pepsi or the Pepsi or the Coke new flavors or the Dr. Pepper new flavors, they never change the color of these things. It's always brown. It's always the same color. I think they would be afraid to honestly change the color because maybe it would put some people off. I don't know. Like purple, like a purple drink from coming out of a Dr. Pepper can might, put some people off. I don't know. But yeah. It smells very berry, obviously. Let's pour this a tiny bit more. So that sizzle. So let's try this bitch. That's very, very. Definitely blackberry. I don't know if darkberry was supposed to be blackberry. I can't remember. Or if darkberry was supposed to be, just regular berry or a bunch of berry flavors. I don't know. But it actually does taste a lot like the darkberry one a little bit. But it's a little different. Has a little bit more of a, I don't know. If I can remember that dark berry flavor. The dark berry flavor was a little bit different. But honestly, that's a lot like dark berry. It's really close to dark berry. So if anyone missing the dark berry flavor, you can probably get this and it'll probably be a good substitute. Let's pour it a little bit more. That sizzle. And it's not exactly the dark berry flavor. But obviously, since it's berry, it's going to taste probably similar. And it definitely does. Really good, though. It has like a, I don't want to describe it as a wane, but a little bit of a kick, I guess, maybe. Like there's a little bit of something, of essence of something that I don't understand what it is, and maybe it's just berry. blackberry. But it definitely is blackberry. It definitely tastes like blackberry. Or is about as close as a pop can taste like blackberry. Very dark berry-esque. Not exactly, of course, because I remember the dark berry being a little bit different than this, tasting a little bit different than this. But definitely very dark berry-esque. Really good though, surprisingly. Well, not surprisingly. Dr. Pepper usually does really good with flavors, new flavors. But yeah, really good. Great, even. Definitely would drink it again. I wonder if it's going to be a permanent flavor by Dr. Pepper. You know, like the strawberries and cream one is now. Yeah, that one's become a permanent flavor, and so has the cream soda as well. The cream soda has become a permanent flavor too. At least permanent enough that I keep seeing it every time I go to the store. So, yeah. Wonder if this will become another permanent flavor. And hey, I didn't spill it on myself this time. First time for everything. But yeah, really good. Definitely tastes like a blackberry. Very dark berry-esque. Definitely would get it again if it becomes a permanent flavor. Who knows, though. It seems like a lot of the a lot of the Dr. Pepper flavors have become permanent flavors now, so this one might as well. So if it does, I definitely can get it again. It also has a zero version, you know, a zero sugar version. But I never try those first thing because I want to try it, you know, how it is, you know, originally. And zero sugar always tastes just a slightly bit off, not off, but different than, you know, regular stuff. So, yeah. Who knows? If it becomes a permanent flavor, and so does the zero sugar one, I might start getting the zero sugar one just because, you know, zero sugar pop is a little bit healthier. But yeah. Definitely get it again. And also, if you like if you like the Dr. Pepper dark berry flavor, definitely get this because it's pretty much a close counterpart or a close match. It's not exact, of course, but yeah. Also, get it if you like dark berry. If you like blackberry, anything, which I do. Blackberries are actually kind of one of my favorite berry type things to eat. Honestly. So, yeah. Really good. 10 out of 10. Another 10 out of 10. I like it, of course, because I like fucking everything. And yeah. That was my review, taste testing of Dr. Pepper Blackberry. A brand new flavor that just came out this month. And yeah. 10 out of 10. Really good. Try it if you want.